If you are encountering the automation failed error in iOS, it can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on automations to simplify tasks on your iPhone. This issue typically arises due to incorrect settings, permission issues, or glitches within the Shortcuts app. Here are the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Solution 1. Check automation triggers. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap on the Automations tab at the bottom. Select the automation that is failing. Ensure that the trigger settings are correct and all the necessary conditions are met. Verify if the automation is set to run without asking for confirmation. Solution 2. Review permissions. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap App. Scroll down, tap Shortcut. Ensure that all relevant permissions are granted, including iCloud Sync and private sharing access data required for your automation. Solution 3. Offload and restart the Shortcuts app. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage and find Shortcuts in the list of apps. Tap Offload app. This clears the app's cache and data without deleting the app itself. Tap Reinstall app to reinstall a fresh version of the app. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of the screen or double-clicking the Home button. Find the Shortcuts app and swipe it up to close it. Restart your iPhone. Reopen the app and test your automation again. Solution: Reset automations. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap on the Automation tab. Delete the failing automation by swiping left on it and tapping Delete. Recreate the automation from scratch to ensure all settings are fresh. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the automation fail error on your iPhone. If the issue continues, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance.